SQL plays a very important role when it comes to any interview. So here we are going to discuss a common problem in SQL. So consider if I have various user logins, and as you can see, these user logins are specified as date time. So let us work on a query to find out who are the users who have logged in on all the months of the on all the days of the month. So for this particular query, first of all, we are going to see who are the users and how many days have they logged in, and then depending upon how many days they have logged in, we are going to check if they have logged in with as many days as the days of the month, and then after that we are going to execute the full query. So first of all, I check all the dates that they have logged in. So here we are checking for March 2024. So here I ask for all the user details for March 2024, wherever the year and the month is specified as March 2024, and I group by the login time. See, they might have logged in multiple times, which I do not want to capture, and so I capture only for March and all the records individually. So here I say group by the user ID and then also by the date. So let's say if any user has logged in several times, that entry is also going to appear only once. So this common table expression is going to give me the details of 101 has logged on 3 days, 102 has logged on 3 days, 103 on 3 days. Now here, so this I got to know. Now this number, as you can see here, this 3 has to be compared with the number of days in the month. So there is a method day e of month which will give me the last the number of days. So e of month will give me the last date. Let me show that to you. E of month will give me the last date, and then from this, if I get day, I will get to know what are the number of days. So now with this particular table, I group by the user ID now, and I check on the total distinct log dates that I have. So this is the basic result of this CTE, that is just to check how many user IDs and how many log dates, count of log dates do I have. I do this 101 3, 102 3, 103 has 3. Now to this, if I can apply a condition on these groups, so equal to date of month of this particular date, then it will give me none of the records because 33 is not equal to 31. So here this is my column, count of distinct of the log date. Log date I got from the CTE expression. And this if this value is equal to this day of last date of month, then in that case it will show that this particular user has logged on all the dates. So here I am, without applying the having condition on the groups, I am getting this as the result. And now I am checking if 3 is equal to 31, 3 is equal to 31 and so on, which it is not, and so it is giving me a null result in this case. Let us try to solve another query where I check users with the longest session in each month. So for this, what I need is what I need here is the user ID. Then I need for every month some I need to capture every month details. Then in that I want to capture for how many minutes have they logged in, and then I want to rank these details. Dependent upon within the year month. So let me show you the query here. So first of all, I want to select something. The table is user logins. So I'm looking for user ID. I want only the month and the year, which I will get from this. Then I want in minutes. In minutes, I want the difference between what is the session duration. And then I want ranking on these. So rank over here I want to partition by, that is I want individual ranking to appear for this. And when I'm ordering, I want to order it by this value descending. So let us execute this and check what result do we get. So for the month of March, 102 has logged in 2 times, 315 and 240. 103 has logged in 240. 101 has logged in as 150. Now let me give a name to this column, rank order. And now I am looking for all the rank ones. So I will specify this as CTE. Now this is my CTE. Now I'm looking only for select star from CTE where rank order equal to 1. Yeah, in the month of March, longest session was held by user ID 102, and in the month of April, the longest session was taken by user ID 103, 360 minutes. So this is how we work with date functions to understand who are the users who have logged in for each month.